guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a full review on a product called Grill Daddy. Now this was sent to me from Fox Stark, so let's go ahead and get started and see what this is all about. Alright guys, so this is supposed to be considered a revolutionary grill cleaning tool. Now if that's true, we're definitely going to give it a good test today and see what it can do. But yeah, you use this on your barbecue grill, say you have a mess and you need to get it cleaned up. With the power of steam, supposedly, it can clean that up for you and effectively and very well. So let's go ahead and see what this product can do. So as you can tell, it's just one piece that comes in the box. I did not see any directions, but it looked pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so basically all we're going to do is just fill it up with some water, and that's pretty much it. We're just going to make sure the nozzle is set vertically at the very top and that the cap's all screwed on really well. Okay, to be fair with you guys, we're going to go ahead and show you what it looks like at the current state. So I'm just starting up the grill and I just press the button to ignite it, and then we're just going to go ahead and see what it looks like at the moment. So as you can tell, we just did some pre-cleaning, and I'm just giving it a test run to see what it's capable of at the moment. But we're about to make an actual mess, and we're going to actually burn something on purpose just to see what this thing is capable of doing. Okay guys, so we've done the pre-cleaning and we know what it can do in that type of situation, but we really want to have something to compare it to, and we cooked some pork chops and now we have something to really work with. Okay, so while we're cleaning it, I'm going to give you a little bit more information about the Grill Daddy. But yeah, it has dishwasher safe attachments, and it's supposed to leave the grill very spotless and sterile. It's designed with stainless steel bristles that clean in between grill grates. It's supposedly good for all grills, including stainless steel, iron, and porcelain. And the sturdy handle on it provides excellent leverage and protection from heat. So yeah, that's just a little bit more information. Alright, so I've came to the conclusion that it actually really does work. We saw the pre-cleaning and we saw that it did a pretty good job on cleaning that area up, and then we even made a bigger mess with the actual barbecue we had, and it did a pretty good job on that as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're interested in learning more about Fox Stark and their products, then definitely check out my description box, and I will go ahead and link all the links down below. I'll talk to you guys later, and thanks for watching. Bye.